Donk-a-donk.
So everybody get on your stomachs.
Oh yeah, she's good. She is beautiful.
She's
All right, we need 3 ignition people.
Right under his face.
You need 3 guys light at the same time.
I'm here. I'm here for you, man. Wait.
Mike, you ready to hit the
I'm
throttle?
ready.
Oh jeez.
Oh God.
Oh shit. Look at these guys humping each other.
Don't abandon me.
Do it again.
Damn. Cuddle next time.
How come it's not like sparkling like it was before?
I don't know what the hell it's called. Use this.
What the hell was that? All right, light there. Do it on sequence.
One.
Wait, Brian. Hold on. This is
2, 3.